You know, mini gaming PCs are an excellent alternative to paying out the wazoo for desktop level hardware, and I am more than positive that you have seen those inflated prices. In this video, I'm going to give you my review of the best gaming mini PCs right now. We have just reviewed 26 of the highest rated units. Then we have created 5 categories that best fits most buyers. And between CPU and GPU combos, design elements, cooling, and specs, we've reviewed all the details that you need to make an informed decision. And don't worry, I've added links to all of these products listed in the video description box below. Hey guys, I'm Jim, and this is Techie Tech News. GMK Tech K16 Best Mid-End Expandable Gaming Mini PC. The K16 Gaming Mini PC from GMK Tech stands out as a strong mid-level powerhouse, targeting users who want capable head units to their external graphics cards. Its Ryzen 7 7735HS processor delivers strong multi-core performance, making it well suited for multitasking, productivity workloads, and moderate gaming. While not the latest and cutting edge, the chip still offers reliable speed and efficiency for most real-world tasks. Its real strength here is its connectivity and expandability, with the inclusion of USB 4, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, and especially the Oculink port gives it a significant edge over its competitors. Oculink allows users to attach an external GPU with a far higher bandwidth than typical Thunderbolt solutions, which effectively transforms your mini PC into a high-end gaming workstation, which is the very point of buying this rig. However, it does stand on its own merits in terms of gaming. With its built-in Radeon 680M integrated GPU, it does perform surprisingly well, handling esports titles and even some AAA games in lower settings. Combined with AMD's FSR upscaling, it delivers respectable frame rates for casual gamers. However, it is still limited compared to the newer RDNA 3 or dedicated GPUs, which makes the eGPU option even more important for enthusiasts. Build quality here is another highlight. The aluminum chassis feels premium and durable, and the compact design makes it ideal for minimalist desks or living room setups. Thermal management is solid, but it is tuned aggressively, meaning the system may run louder under load. Now, where the K16 does fall behind is in its future-proofing, and that's due to its soldered RAM, which means it cannot be upgraded, but you do save on that initial cost. GMK Tech K12 Best High-End Expandable Gaming Mini PC. The K12 Gaming Mini PC is one of the most forward-thinking mini PCs in this category, combining cutting-edge Zen 4 processing with a high level of expandability. Unlike many compact systems that sacrifice upgradability, the K12 leans heavily into it, offering dual DDR5 slots and up to 3 SSD bays. Performance is a major highlight here. The Ryzen 7 H255 delivers strong multi-core performance in pairs with a Radeon 780M, one of the best integrated GPUs currently available. This allows the K12 to handle eSport titles and moderate AAA gaming, not to mention demanding productivity tasks like 4K video editing with relative ease. While it still cannot fully replace a high-end gaming desktop on its own, it can certainly adapt to become one. And this, of course, means that it has the included USB 4 and Oculink, which is very rare amongst even premium mini PCs. Now, we've mentioned Oculink with the last product. What it does is that it enables near desktop level GPU performance when it is paired with an external GPU unit, which in this case gives users a clear upgrade path without having to replace the system, and ultimately transforms the K12 from a compact PC into a scalable performance platform. Now, combine this with the model's upgradability, and now you have a rig that supports up to 128 gigabytes of RAM and up to 24 terabytes of storage. And that is really almost unheard of in this form factor, making it ideal for creators, developers, and even AI workloads. Combined with dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LANs and Wi-Fi 6E, it also excels in networking heavy or server-like roles. Thermal performance is also well handled thanks to its dual fan and vapor chamber system. But as to be expected, under heavy loads it will become audible. The slightly larger chassis is a deliberate design choice that improves airflow and upgradability. So if you're looking to put all your money into an external GPU and need a head unit that can run the rest of your PC, this is the one that I would probably recommend the most. AceMagic Retro X5 Best Retro Modern Gaming Mini PC. The Retro X5 is one of the most distinctive mini PCs on the market right now, combining flagship-level hardware with nostalgic console-inspired design. At its core is the Ryzen AI 9 HX370, a cutting-edge processor that delivers exceptional multi-core performance alongside its integrated AI acceleration. This makes the system not just a gaming device, but also a capable workstation for multitasking, content creation, and emerging AI workloads. But gaming performance is the major highlight here, with its Radeon 890M iGPU happens to be one of the most powerful integrated solutions available today, and it's capable of running modern titles at reasonable settings while excelling at emulation. It aligns perfectly with the system's focus on retro gaming, where it can emulate older consoles with ease while supporting newer titles, putting it in that happy middle ground. The RetroPlay box software is what truly differentiates the Retro X5 from its competitors. Instead of requiring users to manually configure and install emulators, it provides a streamlined console-like experience where users can load ROMs and just start playing quickly. Now this drastically lowers the entry barrier into retro gaming, and that's just something that almost all mini gaming PCs do not address. Now obviously its design is a defining trait, making it ideal for living room setups or collectors who want a device that feels like it's part of gaming history, all while delivering modern performance. Expandability is also strong, with support for large amounts of DDR5 RAM and SSD storage, ensuring that you're getting longevity out of your purchase. Connectivity options like USB 4 and multi-display outputs position it as a versatile desktop replacement despite its compact size. But more importantly, you do not have to worry about spyware. Although Ace Magic has had a history of it, it has been checked and reports come back negative, which is a definite plus. Minisforum G1 Pro Best 1K Modern Gaming Mini PC. The Minisforum G1 Pro is not just another mini PC, it is essentially a full gaming desktop condensed into a compact vertical chassis. Unlike most mini PCs that rely on integrated graphics or low-power GPUs, the G1 Pro features a true desktop-class RTX 5060, which fundamentally changes its performance category. This allows it to deliver real AAA gaming performance, including ray tracing and DLSS enhanced gameplay, something very few mini PCs can actually achieve. It comes with a Radeon 9 8945HX processor to further reinforce the high-end positioning. With 16 cores and 32 threads, it handles demanding workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking with ease. This really makes the G1 Pro not just a gaming machine, but an also legitimate workstation, and this is all balanced by the inclusion of the latest connectivity, like Wi-Fi 7 and 5GB Ethernet LAN. Some of the most impressive features is its power envelope and cooling system, delivering up to 245 watts combined CPU and GPU power in such a compact system is extremely ambitious. Minisforum addresses this with a robust cooling solution featuring heat pipes, large fans, and multiple exhaust zones. The vertical tower design is another unique element. The G1 Pro resembles a small console or compact desktop tower. Expandability is also solid, though not as extreme as some other workstation-focused mini PCs. But it does support up to 96GB of RAM and has dual SSD slots. So it certainly provides enough flexibility for most users, but it does lack extensive modularity compared to larger systems. It's truly a 1K resolution gaming rig, with room to push it up to 2K and even 4K depending on the game title. Minisforum G7 Pro Best 2K Modern Gaming Mini PC. The Minisforum G7 Pro is a flagship tier mini gaming PC that pushes the limit of what a compact system can achieve, effectively delivering high-end laptop-class hardware in a desktop-style enclosure. At its core, the Intel i9-14900HX provides exceptional multi-core performance, making it ideal for demanding workloads such as video editing, 3D rendering, and heavy multitasking. Now this alone places it near the top of the mini PC performance hierarchy. However, its RTX 5070 laptop GPU, which elevates the G7 Pro far beyond typical mini PCs that rely on integrated graphics. With support from ray tracing, DLSS, and AI acceleration, it enables smooth AAA gaming at high settings and very high frame rates. In terms of practical use, the G7 Pro is a 2K gaming machine with 4K capabilities depending on the game title and settings, and that is between 60 to 80 FPS natively. Menace Forum also addressed the thermal loads issue with a complex cooling system featuring 6 heat pipes, dual turbo fans, and 3-sided exhaust design. Now this allows the system to sustain up to 200 watts combined power, which is impressive for its size. With DDR5 memory that you can get up to 96 GB with dual high-speed SSD slots as well, including a PCIe 5.0 port, USB 4, and Wi-Fi 7, the G7 is built for both current and future workloads. Now they've also included a physical performance mode switch, which we think is a thoughtful touch, which allows users to quickly toggle between either quiet productivity or pushing it with maximum game performance. Now we generally don't recommend going beyond this level of performance. If you take a look at some of the prices, you'll have to pay at least another $1,000 for a unit with an RTX 5080M, and it's just not worth it. So know that these 5 options are really your best bet, and know that the G7 Pro is truly our #1 pick. Hey folks, thanks for watching. And also remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. And as always, links to all of these items are posted in the video description box below. And guys, when you're done, why don't you check out one of our other videos? We've done product reviews for almost everything.